Hey, honey bunches. Welcome to DIY Tuesday. So, you guys see what I have here, right? Yes, a baby fat purse. Now, there's a story behind this purse. So, yes, there's going to be a little story time. And if you don't like story times, you might want to not watch this video. It won't be too long, but nevertheless, if you don't like story times, yeah, go ahead and skip this video. Go to another one of my videos, okay, baby girl or baby boy. So I was like 13 years old when my mom got this purse, and I wanted it so bad. Like I begged and begged to just even wear it. She would not let me wear this purse. So fast forward 20 plus years now, my little best friend goes over to my mom's house and comes home with this bag. And I was appalled. I was disgusted. I was like, are you serious? Because like maybe a year or two ago, it was trending the old fashioned like baby fat fetish, like stuff like apple bottom and stuff like that. It might still be trending, I don't know. But my daughter wanted the purse because she had some outfits to go with it. And I'm like, okay, cool, but why didn't my mom call me and say, hey, hon, I found this old purse that you used to like so much. I don't want it anymore. It's just been sitting here collecting dust. You can have it. That didn't happen, honey. So, okay. Now, I was cleaning out my little best friend's room because she's off to school, and I found this in her purse tote at the very bottom, looking like this. So I was like, yes, it's my turn. It's my turn. And so I'm like, I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to get her looking good. And that's exactly what I did. I'm going to style her and I'm going to have fun doing it. Period. I don't know exactly why I was showing the tags in the inside of the bag. I just felt like some people would want to see that. But I love the interior of the bag, the color, how silky it is. I love it. It's really pretty. The chains of the bag look really bad, but I know that I'm gonna fix that, honey. We're gonna see what I can do. This brush, it actually came out of one of those pedicure kits, like out the Dollar Tree, like one of those little for your toenails. It fit perfectly on my fingers to scrub the bag. It worked miracles. I was just scrubbing away. I'm going to try not to talk anymore throughout the video, but as you guys can see how clean it's coming, like you can see that one side is much more lighter than the other side. Yeah. Tell me in the comments below what you guys think. Did I do a good job? Did I get it back to its true color? I wish I had a picture for you guys. I tried to get a picture from my mom of her wearing the purse, but she can't find the picture. So hopefully before I upload, I'll have a picture so you guys can see what it looks like when she first got it. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY because I enjoyed doing it. I was just showing you guys how far the bag has come along and trying to show you the difference between the front of the bag and the back of the bag and what it's looking like so far. I wanted to show you guys this as well. This is what I'm using. And I don't know if this is the right color, or I don't know, because it's not as light as I want it to be. Okay, so here is the bag. Yes, I had to do a little DIY on this bag, because I think the cleaners would cost too much, and it wasn't that deep for me to take it to the cleaners. I just wanted to wear this like one time. You guys will see. I'm gonna do what's in my bag on this. I am gonna put another coat of spray paint on it because the chains aren't as bright as I want them to be. They're still really dull, and yeah. But I think it came out really good because this bag was so dirty. So that is it for DIY Tuesday. Tell me if you guys like this bag. Do you think I did a good job? Or what would you do